Ning.
There, Abdullah is in charge, so
It
he's
is
gonna take care.
recording.
Yeah, it's recording. All right. I was supposed to give you the template of an answer sheet. You remember? Yeah, everybody. So I'll quickly just go through. It's gonna take 2 minutes, and then we'll start.
We will start
Ma'am,
what?
you said that you will show our biographies, all of our biographies.
Good one. You know what? Before I go, let me just open the. Yeah. Yeah. And by the way, the study material for SDG will be uploaded today. Okay. I have prepared it. I've saved it as draft. There's
For
one
exam, ma'am.
link.
So, ma'am,
Yeah,
we
for
have to
exam.
make also something. Only we have to make also.
Abdullah, whatever study material I put, just read it thoroughly and go through it. That's it. I have written in bold, do
Ma'am,
not
you have
mug up
a
the
whole
content
class in
on.
the SDG research paper, right?
Yeah. Please submit the research paper and keep that research paper. It's very, very important. There might be questions that will be asked from the research paper. Uh, Read the links, the website link that I'm sending you very carefully. Mandela, especially you. Okay. uh, because there might be questions that I'll ask from the website, the links that I'm sending you. Okay, and don't worry, we have covered everything from the link. Okay, so there's nothing new that you do not know of. English Mandela, yeah. So these two biographies, I really wanted to show you that because they are very well written. Amina Aga has written for Rushta, and we have Rushdar who's written for Amina Aga. Okay. Thank you. All right. Paper pattern, then biographies, and then we get to work. By the way, we have a small game before we start. Ha, as always. Okay. So, for example, if this is your
And
page,
the paper stuck.
yeah, right?
Game or you
Then
are saying,
this is
ma'am,
gonna
what
be,
are you showing?
Ma'am, in essay, all the subjects are mandatory, right?
yes, compulsory subjects written.
What are you doing
I
this,
am
ma'am?
showing you a template of the answer sheet, Munir.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So here it is. Basic, three basic information. Name, all right. Definitely, it needs to have your name.
Ma'am, why do you want name while you have?
Batch, and I want
Ma'am, this
you
is
to
for
write the
SDG, na?
date. This is for all the answers, papers that you're going to write. Yeah. Please mention this.
Ma'am, batch means ma'am.
Ma'am, batch
Batch
means
means
Mandela,
Mandela.
na?
Mandela.
Right.
Mandela. Definitely, it's going to be Mandela. Okay. And here, over here, you're going to write which subject paper you are attempting. Cool? Everybody?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
That's about it. This is how I want the uniformity in all the answers should be, irrespective
And
of the
what
subject
will
that you're going to attempt. Yeah,
ma'am batch में हम लोग को मंडेला लिखनी है, right?
Mandela. Okay, you guys will write Mandela, the rights will write rights, you will write name and the date on which you are attempting the paper. All right, you do not have to write the date on which the question paper was uploaded, the date
Ma'am,
on which you are attempting the paper.
ma'am,
Yes.
if it is the last day and you did the paper on the last day itself and you uploaded it on that day only, so it will be done or no?
It would be, no? Last day in the sense, which day are you talking about? 26th?
Like the third day, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, that is not a problem. It is okay. If you solve the paper on the very last day of submission, you write that date and you upload it. As long as you are submitting on the last day, Abdullah, whenever you can submit. Okay, time, there is no time restriction. And
Then we can
provided you are
submit in.
setting the time by going from, like, for example, 23rd, you are not making it 24th. So, submission, you have to be very particular. All right, now coming to question number one. Like, for example, if there is question number one, definitely you're going to leave that line, first line after the margin. You're going to write Q1. Come on, here comes. Let me- All right. Q1, and then whichever sub question you're attempting, for example, A, right? And then you directly start writing the answer. For example, this is the answer. All right.
Ma'am, what is this? The
No, I'm
was
just giving you
name.
an example. Suppose the question is, what was the boy doing? Question number one, A asks you, what was the boy doing? So you write up, the boy was playing in the park. Okay.
The
That's
was
how you
playing.
write.
Where is the boy? Boy
Okay,
गायब
okay. I
कब
did
था?
not write boy. I'm sorry.
No, I'm saying the was playing
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
park. I forgot what.
Okay. Okay. The boy was playing in the park, for example. Okay. Then you come to B. Be very careful. If the question is B, then only you write B. Otherwise, there's no reason for you to.
Ma'am, I have one question. Ma'am,
Yeah.
that question number वाला line, ma'am, that will be तो full खाली पड़ा हुआ ना जन.
Yes. This is
Ma'am,
gonna
that
be
line
empty.
will be wasted, no?
No. No. Or what you can do is, suppose question number one in English is unseen passage. So you can write unseen passage. Okay.
Ma'am, we will write the main question, not the parts of. मतलब ma'am, like
Do
question
not
is
write the
there
full
and then
question, Munib. Do not write the full question. Like, for example, question number two will be your writing skills. Okay. So you write question two.
okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Got it.
And then you write, if you're attempting biography, you write biography. Or if you're attempting autobiography, you write autobiography.
Ma'am, that means we have an option of biography and autobiography.
Yes, you will get two options. You have to choose any one for 5 marks. Okay, that's writing skill. Hmm? Okay, everybody, is it clear? Okay. Now coming to SDG. SDG, this is how you'll write your English. Now, for example, SDG question number one is fill in the blanks. Please directly write the answer. Directly write the answer. Do not write the sentence and then underline the word. No. Directly you have to write the answer. Second question, fill in the blanks, you write the answer directly. All right. Then you come to question number two. If it is explain the following, I'm just giving an example.
Ma'am,
You
for
write,
all subjects you are giving, no?
yeah, okay. You write A. Uh, suppose the term is equality. Put a hyphen, write the meaning of equality or whatever. You start with equality means to make sure, whatever is your answer. Okay, that's how you're going to write direct answers. Okay, no questions to be written. Is it clear, everybody? So it's name, batch, date, and subject on the right hand side, and then you immediately start writing your, put proper question numbers and start writing your answers. Yes, give me a thumbs up so that I know this, you know. Okay. All right. Now I'll just show you the biographies. This is Rushdan. Okay. She's written a biography on Amina Aga, and she decided to give the title of a biography artistic history. All right. There are indents, there are paragraphs, definitely. Okay. So Amina Aga is a young girl. Now the reason she's written is and not was is because Amina is still alive. Okay, you have to be very mindful of what you write. Okay, Amina was a young girl. When you say, you mean Amina is no more. Okay, so Amina is a young girl who aspires to become a future artist or photographer. In 2016 she started a YouTube channel, eventually of leading her to think of taking courses in photography. Her talent of drawing came into the light as she was inspired by her aunt, who was an artist. Your aunt is not an
Is
artist anymore.
is an artist.
Okay, Rishda. Her aunt is still an artist. Okay. Her parents, Danish and Kaina. See how she has introduced her parents. She's not written her father's name is Danish Aga and her mother's name is Kaina Taga. You know, she said her parents and she wrote both their names together. Received her in Andheri. That received her in Andheri. The words show that Amina was born. So she's not putting in simple words, even for that matter, in order to tell the birth. Received her is a very good way, or indirectly telling somebody that, you know, you draw an inference. You come to know that yes, this is now the birth date when Amina was born. It's 10 March 2019, 2009. Rushda, there is a way to write the date. Okay, so always don't put dates like that unless it's in your notebook. Okay, in writing, you will always put your dates. I'm going to put Amina's birth date. So 10 March. What happened? Okay, 10 March 2009. That's how you write the date. Yeah. Okay. Uh, they are very supportive and never put the decision on Amina, who is now mostly independent. In 2011, she was saved by strangers from a speeding train. Now, this is a very important event that happened in Amina's life. Okay, it is mentioned in the biography. All right, but not too much detail is given about it. So, maybe a little more should have been added for this part. Like it's something like a life changing incident that she was saved by strangers from a speeding train, like, so
Really, ma'am?
I think so. Amina, is it true?
Yes.
It is. And not too later, her baby sister Aisha Aga was born. Around the time she started her YouTube channel, yet again Amina had another baby sister now known as Asma Aga. Okay. Um, so how well have has she mentioned about the family? You know, that's a point to be noted. 2011, again in 2011, for housing and education reasons, she and her family moved to Nerul at one point of time. Forgotten, Amina doesn't remember when was that. Amina decided to go to London as a vacation. Then she went to Singapore to visit her cousins. Along the way and at their destination, she and her family had truly enjoyed. But sometimes do happen. Things to mourn do happen. In 2020, not only hers but everyone's lives changed due to the pandemic. But things did get better. For example, her artistic skills has gotten better. Okay, and she will advance. But currently, this is what has happened throughout her life. Okay, I did not like this line honestly. Okay, it on a very beautiful, like, how it comes to me. It comes as if in a beautiful bouquet of flowers, you've placed a carrot in the middle. All right, that's how I perceive it. So this line was not necessary. All right, the artistic history of Amina Aga, and the last line too, carrot and a radish. Okay, that's how it is. Otherwise, good, very well written. This is Amina. Come on. Yes, it's written on Rishda Asif biography. Okay. Rishda Asif is a young girl who aspires to become an author and is inspired from New York's bestseller authors Rick Rodden, if I'm pronouncing it right. She was born in Houston, Texas on 6 July. See, how well has she written the date? Okay, that's how you're supposed to write. To Asif and Shamila Aga. This is a very good way. Like, even if you want to keep it in simple words, okay, you want to tell, okay, she was born. I don't want to use the word received or, like, came into this world. Maybe if you don't want to write that, then this is a very good way of introducing the parents along. uh, and said her very first word at the age of 1. I like this. That's a very cute part. In 2014, nearly 4 years later, her family moved to an apartment to a two-story spelling REY home, which was much better. In 2014, her younger sister Khadija Kazi was born. Okay, so Rushda and Amina, you can mention names, right? Okay, provided you put comma in front of the name and at the back of the name. Okay, like for example, this statement could have been written in 2014, comma, her younger sister, comma, Khadija Kazi, comma, was also born. Okay. Then a few years later, in 2016, she started memorizing the Quran. Q should be capital. She was inspired because it's a proper noun. She was inspired to memorize it from her brother, again, comma, Ahmed Kazi, comma, who had already memorized it. Okay. Then in 2018, she got to visit Egypt, and it was one of the best times of her life. And after, okay, too much and. After they got back from Egypt, her younger brother Isa Kazi was born. After all that, something very unexpected happened in 2019. They came to for a visit in India, and up until now, they are still here. Unexpectedly, they stayed here. All right, good. Third paragraph could have been a little more detailed, Amina. Maybe. Okay. So, for a 5 marks biography, if I have to rate it out of five, I would definitely give these two 3.5. Okay, it's good that way. Ibrahim, let me come to you. No, it's good. You need, like, everybody needs to know. There are some who've not even submitted Ibrahim, so they'll learn, right? And we all are learning. But I cannot deny the fact that your ideas were very good. The only thing was lacking was how to express it, how to put it in words, and a little language. Okay. Yahya Asim Rizwani was born on 11th April. A very formal tone you gave at the very beginning. Okay. So I read it with that tone I had that tone in my mind throughout. What I was not expecting was um, goalkeeper. He has like eyes like an eagle. He could catch any ball and save maximum number of goals. Exclamation. I don't know what is your love with exclamation. Oh, I totally forgot. Never do that. It's a biography. I will come in autobiographies, right? Okay. Biographies will never have eyes. They will always have he, or she. Creative, that I like your use of adjectives that you have throughout. Um, but you know what? When you put too many adjectives in the biography, it shows that you are biased. It shows that you really like that person on who you're writing the biography. So never do that. Always, always have, always have a very, always take the middle part. Always take the middle part. Don't show that okay, you're on the good side, or you like the person, or you do not like the person. Always be very neutral in your opinion. Okay, I no, whatever your personal opinions are, I respect that. I'm not discussing that over here. Um, Maybe you could have written more about his academics. I like the way you mentioned his quiz competition that he won, SDG quiz that he had. Okay, planning to be a math professor. I like that part, the future that you mentioned. Okay, hip hooray, hip hooray. Don't do that in the paper, please. Yeah, who do we have next? Muhammad Mohammadi. No assignment submitted. Why, if I may ask? Abdullah, did he not take information from you, like the points?
I made two, but no, none of us.
And Abdullah, you had almost written 3 paragraphs. All you had to do is click a picture and upload. That's it. You don't even have to
Ma'am,
write
it was,
more.
ma'am, I
Tell
forgot
me.
to save the file, ma'am.
Oh, why did you do that? It was
I
good.
said the same thing and she rewrote the whole thing.
Oh my god.
So actually, it was a good thing because the first one I wrote, it was like super bad.
Well, I can't say much to that. This the second time that you rewrote it, it was
And
definitely good.
ma'am,
Okay.
the one
Yeah.
which I wrote on that day, you only told to reframe the sentence. I did that, but I forgot to save it. It was all three. The third one was also done, but I
Yeah, I
forgot.
saw Abdullah. You had almost done three paragraphs, and the first two I edited a little and I sent it back to you in chat. If you remember, you just had to copy
Yes,
paste
and
it.
I did it also. And
Hmm.
I forgot to save it.
No problem. Mohammadi, you didn't even try or take like
I have done. Look.
show. I'll stop sharing my screen. Please show and upload your work. Humaira has submitted. I like the way she's written. Okay. Thoda or like it could have been better organized. Okay. When does he play football is not required. We are not writing about his schedule. We are writing a biography. Can you scroll it down?
He is written wrong. I told him to correct Saifi Hospital, Saif Ali Khan. No, Saif Ali Khan, sorry. Prince Ali Khan.
Yeah, Prince Ali Khan. You were born in Prince Ali Khan? My brother was also born in Prince Ali Khan. Okay. Muhammad is born in Saifi Hospital. Right? Okay. Muhammadi, it's incomplete.
Yes.
Wake up. I want your assignment to be submitted, Muhammadi.
Yes.
It's gonna come for exam. What is wrong with you? 3 weeks. This is not acceptable,
Ma'am,
Mohammed.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
मैम in exam which person we have to write मतलब किसका लिखने का है
I will give you that person. Don't worry, it's gonna be a known person. Mohammadi, I want your assignment to be submitted
You
today.
will give us information also about that person.
It will be a guided biography, definitely. I'll give you the guidelines. Are you listening to me, Muhammad? Today.
Yes.
Today.
Yes.
Biography on Abdullah Patel. And Abdullah Patel, you also today.
Yes.
Okay? And the entire Mandela autobiography assignment I'll be uploading
Ma'am,
today.
2 minutes, ma'am. I want to show it. I got it, ma'am.
Okay. Hey, Acha, you found it. Perfect. Upload it. Abdullah, I'll review it. Don't worry.
For autobiography, can I just copy paste the result wrote about?
Oh, auntie, autobiography you have to write on your first day of
Who
school.
will correct the he, she? I.
Good point, Ibrahim.
हाँ, नहीं तो.
I'll just erase that and write something else.
Is an
But you need to
unschooled
write on
who
the
loves
first day of
doodling.
school.
See, I like it. Abdullah, nice. I
Ma'am,
like the
but I
information
don't
that
know.
you put.
But ma'am, I don't
Huh.
remember of my first day of school.
Maybe ask your parents and put a little from your side. See, you can manipulate with autobiographies. Why? Because you yourself are writing. Nobody's going to come and confirm, oh, yeah, did this happen? Yes, it did happen because you yourself are writing autobiography, right? Biography is something that you write on somebody else. So people can cross-check your facts.
That's an opinion.
Aut-
Na? Biography is opinion.
Autobiography is opinions you can have of yourself.
Yeah, in biography
Facts
we need
is
to
biography.
research.
Yeah, in biography
Yeah,
you
we
need
need
to
to
have
research.
solid facts.
We
You
can't
need to
make
confirm it.
false statements in the. We
You
can't
can't
write
have
false
opinions.
statements.
You can't have opinions like how Ibrahim had. He has an eyes like an eagle. That is Ibrahim's opinion. Somebody else
No,
thinks
ma'am,
Gaia
that is
has.
a fact, ma'am. That is a fact, ma'am. I
Oh,
also
okay.
agree with that.
All right, but we can't prove it. Did you prove it? Okay.
Ma'am, don't give like a friend. So everyone will write like that only.
No, it's
In
gonna be.
exam, give like APJ Abdul Kalam or like that.
I will give who
People
I want
should
to
also know if ma'am gives or somebody else like Justin Trudeau. If somebody doesn't know about him, so what will he write?
give.
What
No,
will
so
he
my dear Abdullah, I'm gonna give you guidelines. Okay, I'll give you pointers. I'll give you facts about that person, and based on that fact, you have to frame a biography. Yeah, it's
Ma'am,
gonna
if
be
you want more
easy.
fact, can
Don't
we
worry.
take it from Google? Ma'am, how many paragraphs should it
Stop
contain?
depending on Google so much.
4 or
The
3.
biography and oh yes, okay. Ma'am,
3
now in
paragraphs.
like in exam, which topic you gave of biography or
Okay, so let
autobiography?
me give you marks distribution of biography. It will be easy for you to understand that way.
I know. I was asking that. Do we have to mention about their parents in the biography also?
Relax, Ibrahim. Title will have 1 marks, obviously. Then whether you've put it in paragraphs, your format will have 1 mark. Okay, so there needs to be 3 paragraphs with indents properly. Um, Ideas and expression will carry 2 marks. Okay, and 1 more mark will be for language and syntax. How you structure your sentences. Yeah, so that's 5 marks in all.
What
Cool.
is
Ma'am, what
syntax?
is syntax?
How you structure your sentences. Okay,
How
proper
you
grammar
frame
and
and how you
how you
frame
frame.
the
Yes, how you
paragraph.
frame your sentences. Okay. Uh, do you think the title of my biography was? Yes, it was. Could have been better. I will never settle for this. Okay. 10 minutes only left. Thank you, Ibrahim, for that reminder. Okay.
Ma'am, you
Everybody,
said we were going to play a game.
yes, we'll play a game. And before I start with the game, please have your textbooks with you. This is a
Ma'am,
very
wait.
simple exercise that we have to do. We have to solve page number 30 and 31 in your textbook with a pencil, no notebooks. Cool?
Ma'am, but I don't have textbook.
Ma'am, can I start or we will discuss and do?
Huh?
We
No,
will
no.
Wait, ma'am, 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I
we'll
don't have
discuss.
textbook.
Okay, yeah, we'll put everything on the whiteboard then.
Okay. So, ma'am, we have to bring notebook or not?
As of now, Yahya, Ibrahim, and Anas get the notebook because write the answers in the notebook. When you arrange your textbook, you have 2 weeks time to arrange your textbook. Please arrange it by this weekend or in the weekday if possible. Yeah.
Ma'am, I am doing in
31:32,
weekend
ma'am.
because
31:32.
in weekdays I don't have time.
Do you guys meet for Jumma? Like, do you
No,
go to the
ma'am, we
same?
are not allowed to go out of the
Ma'am,
house.
they meet
Yeah,
at
yeah,
Saturday,
they
ma'am.
come for football. Yeah, yeah, they
We
come
come
for
for
football.
football.
Yes, they
Come
come
for
for
football.
football.
Even
I
for
was
that matter,
planning that only.
I
Saklen
checked the book, ma'am.
Bhai comes for football.
Yes, ma'am, he also comes.
I
He
was
also
planning for.
Anas
But
comes for
ma'am, they
football.
come only sometimes, ma'am. They don't come every Saturday. They come only
Tell them to
sometimes.
come
Anas
this
doesn't
Saturday and
come.
get the
Ma'am,
notebook.
but Anas
अरे फोन
doesn't
कर
come.
लेंगे ना
Ma'am,
कुछ
but
नहीं
Anas
कुछ
doesn't
फोन कर
come.
लेंगे कुछ नहीं
Anas doesn't come, ma'am.
Anas,
Yeah,
please
yeah,
go for football this Saturday. Contact Saklen, take the textbook from him. Yes? Please do that. Don't play football, just go for the textbook.
Ma'am, he will of course play football.
No, I'm just saying. He doesn't come, so I was just muttering. Okay, page number 30, 31. Before that, let's check how strong our vocabulary is. Okay, so we have to complete this pyramid. It's called the word pyramid, right?
Ma'am,
The
this is the
main
game.
the main
And I
letter
know.
is T. Yes, the main letter is T, and all the words have T in it. Okay, so the first and second is given T.
ma'am
at
can I say of the second one 10 art
a browning of skin that is caused by the sun rays.
10
ma'am,
10
Yes.
10
I tan.
Ma'am, bend. Fourth wala bent है, ma'am, to lean.
मैम
Bend.
सेकंड वाला आर्ट है आर्ट
No,
ए
it's
आर्ट
BENT. Bent. Bend is
Yes,
to
ma'am,
bend.
bend. Ma'am, to lean. Huh, ma'am, bend.
Bend is different. Leaning is different. Come on.
Ma'am, what will come?
टेंटिकल
Rest?
Huh?
Ma'am, is it rest? Rest.
No.
बट मैम टी इज इन द एंड
Okay, this is a pen straight. And now the pen has
Tilt.
Bent, bent,
Thank
bent,
Tilt.
bent.
Now it is
quiet.
tilt.
Tilt.
Yes. Got it.
Okay.
Tilt.
This one I'll give it to you.
Canon.
Canto. Okay.
What is canto?
Canto is a major section of a long poem. Okay. The major part of a poem.
Ooh.
Poem is divided into stanzas. Okay.
Tekun. T-A-C-O-N.
Yes, ma'am. Takun.
Yes, ma'am.
Tekun.
Tekun. Token, yes,
Taku.
token.
Toucan, yeah.
Ma'am, what is toucan?
It is an
It's a
American
tropical-
bird.
I mean, so you've seen those birds with big beaks, yellow and black
Yes.
beaks,
Yes,
and they're
yes,
very
yes,
colorful.
yes,
colorful.
yes,
Yes.
In Angry Birds, it reverse also.
Yeah. I remember it in Rio. You've seen the movie
Yes,
Rio?
ma'am. Rio
Yes, ma'am,
Angry
Rio,
Birds
ma'am.
ma'am, it is there, ma'am. Rio Angry
Yeah.
Bird are same. Ma'am, they are so colorful and ma'am so.
Rio and Angry Bird are same. How?
Eh,
Daniel?
could be.
Which
Rio
one?
and Angry Bird are different. Rio
Yeah.
has made characters. Rio has made Angry Bird.
A record of money that has been
Account. A-C-O.
U-N-T.
Account. U-N-T.
accounted.
I don't know the spelling.
Okay, that's good. Why are you also smart? Amount.
Ma'am, we won, ma'am.
1 minute. It can be amount also. A record
No, ma'am, there is no double M.
has been paid and money that has been. Oh no,
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Let me
It
start with
can't be
account.
amount. It
Muhammadi.
doesn't
It's
has
account.
double
It's not amount.
Yes.
Read properly, Muhammadi.
To Jan Puchhi disabled the annotation, so we couldn't write in.
Let's go to page number 30 of our textbook. Okay. Now you have to find 4 word roots. Okay. There are many words given, but you have to tell me what are the prefixes that has been added to this word. Exercise 3. First one is done for you. One root is auto. Okay.
Page
So what you do is
Page number
30. Page number 30. Exercise 3. I said 30. Ibrahim,
13 or 30?
30.
Ma'am, you said like that way.
No. Yes. I said it in a South Indian accent, but I did not mean that. Ibrahim, dirty fellow. Okay. The word root is auto. First one is done for you. Yeah. And underline all the words that are there that begin with auto. Come on. Quickly in the word box.
I can't find my book, ma'am.
Autobiography. Automobile.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Munib, you just said ma'am. Hmm. Okay. I think there's autograph, automatic, automation.
Automate.
Next one is
Automate.
T, ma'am. T-E, ma'am. T.
No, that is tele. Abdullah,
And
the word is tele.
six, ma'am. There are
T-E-L-E.
6 words of auto.
Yeah.
Tele
Tele.
and
So
and there
what
are
you do
6
is
words of auto.
Ma'am,
circle.
I'm coming in a minute, huh? Wait. I'm coming in a minute.
Yes. Circle the words with tele. And you've underlined the words with auto. Now circle the words with tele. What's the third word root?
Trans.
Trans. Perfect. Trans. You're going to draw a box around the words that begin with trans or have trans in it. Okay. So the first word was auto. Word root was auto. Second was tele. Third was trans. Give me the fourth one.
Bye.
By. So we are just going to leave by the way it is. We are not going to do anything with the words with by. Okay. So we have Munib, Muhammad, Abdullah, and Amina. Humera also. Okay. Humena, can you quickly read the words with auto for me?
Ma'am, can you repeat
What?
whatever you said, ma'am? You were taking names and saying something new.
Yeah. I'm going to ask you to read the words.
Okay.
Humena, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you read the words with auto? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Autograph, automatic, autobiography,
Very good.
automobile,
Hmm.
autopsy.
Autopsy, yes. And Humena, there in the second line, third word is automation.
Yes,
Okay.
automation. Ma'am, I have one question.
Perfect.
It is not written TION, it is written TON. Automation wala.
Automate,
Done.
automated. Yes, automated. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you, Munib. Okay, Munib, go ahead with tele.
Ma'am, I know automaton, ma'am. In a movie,
Automated.
automaton, there it is like a robot, ma'am.
Yeah.
Automaton. Ma'am, in automaton. Ma'am, horizontal first line, second one it is telephone, and then
Yeah.
in second line it is telegraph,
Perfect.
then telescope,
Yes.
telepathy,
Hmm.
telephoto, television.
Telephoto, television. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, done, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say one more,
Muhammad.
ma'am? Can I
Muhammad
say of
trans.
tele?
Read the words with trans.
France.
Yeah.
Ma'am, first line, fifth word transatlantic.
Transatlantic.
Transatlantic. The second line, second word transfer.
Okay.
And second line, sixth word transport. Then third
Yeah.
line, fourth word transparent.
Hmm.
And fifth line, second word translate. And fifth line, last word transplant.
Good. Okay. Abdullah, bye.
Ma'am, I thought 1 second, why are you saying Abdullah bye?
I should be telling bye. It's almost 40 now. Come on.
Biceps, bisect, bifocals,
Very
bicycle,
good.
biannual.
Bilingual.
Hey, ma'am, it is biannual.
Ma'am, उसके नीचे
The
ma'am.
last line was
Biannual.
biannual.
Okay, biannual. All right. All right. Yeah. And Abdullah, second last line, third word, bilingual.
Bilingual.
Yeah,
Bilingual.
bilingual. Okay.
Okay.
Good. How about, okay, exercise 4 is homework. You'll have to find out. All right. So there are certain words that we have borrowed. I mean, the entire world obviously has borrowed from different countries, and you have to tell which word belongs to. And the list of countries are given. So there is this word in the box that we borrowed from Portugal. There is one word borrowed from Germany. One word borrowed from Caribbean, India, South Africa. All right. You have to go ahead and find out what those words are. You can use the internet or the dictionary, your choice.
Ma'am, bungalow is from India.
Coming to page number 31. Yes, thank you very much, Mani. Coming to page number 31, exercise 1 is very easy. There are 4 suffixes, word root suffixes given to you. You have to just quickly tell me what are the following words that can be put together with the word root and the meaning changes. Okay, quickly, this should not take any time. Who's going to go ahead? One person.
Ma'am, can I
One
say?
person who goes tells me everything.
Ma'am, can I say?
Amina, go ahead. Page number 31, exercise 1. You have to add the proper suffix to the word. Yeah.
First, I'll do for ship, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
Partnership,
Hmm.
ownership.
Hmm.
Um,
How about we go with the words like member, child, fair?
okay.
Mohammed, I'm coming to you.
Memberhood, I think, will be there.
Membership, Amin. Yeah.
Membership
Yeah. Child.
for childhood,
Perfect. Fair.
fairness,
Yes. Enjoy.
enjoyment,
Perfect. Stop. Mohammed, continue. Owner.
Ma'am, same.
Yeah, owner. Tell me for owner. Same exercise. Yeah.
Ownership.
False.
False. False. नहीं. Falsehood.
Okay. Kind.
Kindness.
Fellow.
Fellowship. And kindship can also be there. Kindship and kindness.
No. There's no word like kindship. It's kindness and it's fellow.
So, ma'am, it is KINSHIP. क्या? Kinship.
Fellowship. Or
Ah,
fellowhood. Fellowship. All right. Who has Munib? Go ahead. Employ. Yeah. Tell me.
Employment. Ma'am, mothership.
Mohammed, I'll come through the screen and I'll give you one.
Mothership is
हाँ मैम aliens की mothership भी होती है.
Very good.
हाँ
Motherhood.
Can I
Okay.
say?
Munib, employ. Yes. It's 45. Come on.
Employment.
Yeah.
Employment.
Partner.
Partnership.
Father.
Fatherhood.
Manage.
Management.
Yes. Mother.
Motherhood.
Wicked.
Wickedness.
Yes. Fit.
Fitness.
Okay. Perfect. Exercise 2. As much as I love to give you, you have to write your sentences on your own. One sentence is for tell me.
Ma'am, tell one word.
Management.
I have a very
Manage was a word.
Management is the word.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you give me after Yahya?
Yes,
after that me.
management is a word.
How about you make these sentences and put it on the Google Classroom? I'll post the homework.
So
okay?
many.
All ma'am.
No.
Okay. 5 out of these words. Any 5.
Any 5.
Yeah.
Any
But
5.
it will not be handwritten. You can type and send it to me. You can type and send it to me. Cool?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, these
Ma'am, give
sentences.
me
Okay,
give us
exercise
the
2.
page.
Exercise 2, page number 31 would be for homework. You can choose any 5 words and frame sentences on that and it can be typed. Awesome. This works well with you.
only one word or 3 words?
5 words from all these words. Yeah.
Ma'am, we don't have textbook, so we can take any 5 words.
I'm going to put the picture. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So you know. Exercise 3 and exercise 4. Actually, exercise 4 also you can do it on your own, I assume. So exercise 2 and 4 will be as homework. Exercise 3, I'll do it with you in... When do I have a class now? I don't have English, right? Next week.
Next class, ma'am.
Thursday.
Thursday is SDG, no?
Thursday is life skill. Tomorrow is SDG, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you leave?
Oh,
Yeah, please, bye. I'm going to
yeah,
end the
tomorrow
meeting.
is SDG.
Everybody,
Today is
go.
Tuesday.
Shoo. Take care.
What, ma'am? Ma'am, we are going to